Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change from local user to administrator in Windows 11 using various options. Chapter 1. Change to administrator user from settings. To start, you are going to click on the Windows button, now click on Settings. Then, go to Accounts, and there click on Other Users. After this, click on the user options to modify and click on Change Account Type. Then in the Account Type field, you will select Administrator. After this, click OK. Chapter 2. Change to Administrator User from Computer Management. To start, right-click on the Start menu, and in the results, you will click on Computer Management. After this, you will go to the Local Users and Groups section, and there click on Users. Then, double-click on the user to modify. In the window that opens, you will go to the Member of tab. Then, click on Add and you will write Administrators. Once you confirm it, you can apply the changes. Chapter 3. Change to Administrator User from Control Panel. To get started, open the Control Panel from the Windows 11 search. After this, click on User Accounts and again click on User Accounts. Then, click on Manage Another Account so you can select the user to change. Then, click on Change the Account Type, and then check the Administrator box. You can apply the changes. Chapter 4. Change to Admin User from PowerShell. To get started, open the PowerShell console as an administrator from the Windows 11 search. Then, execute the command on the screen indicating the user to change as administrator. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 5. Change to Admin User using netplwiz. To start, from the Windows 11 search, enter the word netplwiz. Click on the command in the results. After this, select the user and double-click on it. In the window, go to Group Membership and select Administrator. You can apply the changes. Chapter 6. Change to Administrator User from CMD. To get started, open the CMD console as administrator from the search. Then, run the command net local group administrator's user ad indicating the user that will be the administrator. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.